Okay. We are off to the races. All right. Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing? I don't know if Dimitri's coming on today. Maybe. I think today's his last day for the holiday. Same with Albert. We are sitting pretty close to supply. 1 second. Let me share my screen. There we go. You guys see my screen? Everything working okay? Audio good? See this little channel that we created in pre-market? That's what I'm going to be paying attention to right at open. If we either take the lows out of this channel here or continue higher, we have quite a bit of supply above from yesterday's bloodbath. QQQ's next supply, 619 and then 662. What is this level here? 697. I don't need this. Try to clean this up a little bit. SPY supply. We'll get rid of this. We'll move this up to pre-market. Leave this pocket open here. So, little cluster yesterday when we were starting to sell off, but that could have a lot to do with the news catalysts, why we were selling off like that. Intraday open, I'm just going to be looking at this channel right here. 664.60s. Actually, let's drag this down a little bit. 664.55 to 60, somewhere in there, to 664. So this little 50-cent channel, I'm going to wait for this range to break today and see if we get a direction. Same thing heading south. We got room to yesterday's low if they want to actually try to pull this sucker back. So same thing with QQQ. We could potentially be just putting in a lower high here today on the daily. We'll see. How's VIX looking today? VIX broke out and now it got buried past sloping support. We had sloping support starting to show up on VIX yesterday when we were leaking, and now we broke. Say we're pretty close to major supply on VIX if we reject this area. How's our news looking today? Home sales at 10 o'clock today. That's it. Nothing really major. Good morning, Swing. Good morning. You guys sleepy? You had puts? Did you swing puts? Oh boy. I'm surprised you didn't build an SPXL position off of previous day lows from Monday's lows. It's all right. It's not really, the chart's not moving far. It looks like we're getting big price action, but it's really not moving far. And it seems that VIX is going to be buried again today, so. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, June. MBZ. MBZ, we're gonna pass that Top Step account today, all right? I watched a live replay yesterday, and I was looking at the chart, and there was a solid probably 2 or 3 hours where we all shouldn't even have been trading. Just how shitty the cycles were. Especially for me, I was trying to chase bounces into empty pocket. Yeah, I got wrecked too. The only thing that freaking bailed me out was the SPX. All right. Let's see what we got today. I'm going to let them get out of this range. How bad did you take a hit on those puts, Patel? That's not bad. 664.05 demand. This is bounce zone here. QQQ. QQQ has room to 598.80s. Let's see if we freaking leak this out or not. Let me give the market some time to breathe. This is demand 664. Supply, we're in a very tight channel. 50-cent channel. Let them break it. I hope Norville's on. Norville, you swung calls. Hope you're not sleeping in, buddy. Anybody else swing calls? How'd you do, kid? Demand looks like it wants to break on the Qs. See weakness on the Qs. See if SPY takes out the 664 area. Previous close, 663.20. So we got quite a bit of room to go down if they want to pull it today. Nice job, dude. Beautiful. Now you got your cushion. Q's is pulling it. Looks like they're going to hang out in this channel. QQQ wants to go lower. SPY breaks this demand. We got nothing to 663.57. I'm not going to chase puts. Let's see how options look today. I didn't even look yet. Premium, same day premiums look fine. Gaps filled on QQQ. Previous close just hit on QQQ. Let's see how far SPY's going to pull it. Man, somebody's got to jump on and talk to me. I don't want to talk to myself all day. You guys are all sleepy.
I'm here for you, Doc.
Thank you, dude. Appreciate it. I don't want to rush into anything. QQQ filled the gap. Bounced off a previous close, and SPY immediately bounced. Supply 664.56 to 664.60s.
I almost jumped in a put position when I saw the Qs leaking out, but it didn't.
I mean, they broke structure, but they're at demand. They bounced right off a previous closed demand. SPY's next demand,
Yeah.
663.60s. Just when it's this early in the morning, dude, a lot of the times they'll show direction and then they go the other way. So chasing breakdowns and breakouts are dangerous this early in the morning. The POC rejection was a good confirmation to get in, but if QQQ steps on the gas and flips and reclaims their floor here, they could take it back to the top of this channel, 664.60. So I'm just trying to be a little patient today. I want to give you guys some solid plays. I don't want to rush into anything. I mean, if you look at the last 2 days and where we are, right? Monday, Bears got paid. Tuesday, they took all the money back. And now we're in the middle of the range pretty much from yesterday and Monday. So I think they're calculating now who to clap.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh, finally somebody's on.
What's up, man?
No offense, A-team.
None taken.
No offense at all. Everybody's sleeping today, Ryan, besides A-team.
Dude, I wish I was sleeping.
I hope Norville wakes up
Stick
because
three.
he swung calls.
He swung calls.
Yeah, but we're leaking out.
It looks like a bear flag.
This
The
is
15-minute overnight looks like an entire, giant bear flag.
This is bounce zone here. QQQ is looking like they want to lose previous close.
Bear. Good for calls.
This is bounce zone. QQQ's holding previous close and 663.60s is bounce zone on SPY. I don't know if they want to go touch and try to fill the gap. If QQQ goes lower, they're gonna drag SPY to previous close. Kid, you sold, right? Yeah, 10%. You sold.
663.21.
I don't want to step in front of this yet and try to go long, but this looks like the best area to try. We'll give it one more candle. Nice job, man. Well, let's see if we go back up and bump our head on 664 and reject that floor then that we had all pre-market. That would be a good area for a put entry. Right at VWAP 664, POC area. If they flip it, then your risk is to the top of that channel, 664.60. Other than that, I'm gonna wait for them to see if they can pull it back down to previous close. I'll maybe try a long down there.
Looks like NQ's trying to bounce off its PCP.
Yeah, QQQ went early.
I'm waiting till this 15-minute candle forms first. I gotta let my heart rate go down. Went on a jog with my son pushing his stroller.
Nice. I like the bulls are starting to show up here, but I don't know. I got clapped a lot yesterday trying to do that, trying to chase calls on bounces. I was a little too impatient yesterday, but yesterday's conditions were completely different because of the news catalysts. See if we make one fresh low from here or not. Probably try 664 same day calls. If we actually head to previous close, I'll probably switch them to 663s. I want to see them take this floor out first before I jump in. I got 663 calls on my screen now. Try to wait for one more little pullback. If they take off and start shooting this out, I'll just go with them. But price target's going to be, if we get above 663.80, price target's going to be that previous floor right near VWAP at 664. Not
VIX
in
is
yet.
bouncing off sloping support.
Yeah, VIX broke out yesterday and then they vomited it all back.
Yeah,
right at the end of the day.
Got a big green candle right now. It touched London like overnight highs and rejected for now.
This looks like a bear flag on the 1 minute micro, small bear flag.
Yeah, the 15-minute chart looks like a massive bear flag.
POC just came in. I can just hear it in the back of my head right now. Puts.
It's gonna dump.
Uh, I'll probably actually try 664. If we reject that floor, I'm gonna try a put near VWAP. I don't like.
The
There's
selling
not
algo
enough.
is pretty
There's not enough power going up. We don't have enough power going
Yeah.
up.
I'm not going long until this selling algo breaks. We're still bouncing off sloping resistance.
According to Vix Patel. Yeah. Look at that candle. Jesus. I want them to head to previous close, maybe slice it first and then try to find buyers. We don't have enough power
Yeah,
to chase along yet for me.
Yeah.
And I don't want to buy
Yes,
puts at
bookmap
low
a
day.
little lower has a ton of orders just lined up. Like every 50 cents. It's like 200, 200, 200, 200.
Oh, God, I'm fucking tired today. I have to up my espresso game.
I just make some pour over coffee in the morning for Colombian grounds.
I went, dude. We went on vacation. The house had this Nespresso machine, and I fell in love with it. It's so delicious. It makes like foam and stuff.
Yeah. I had one for a while, but it was a pain in the ass to clean like every single morning.
Come on, give me one more leg lower. QQQ's hanging out on previous close. They're making this floor look a little obvious now. I want them to go touch previous close or maybe slice through it and then find buyers, and then I'll try a bounce. 663 calls I'll try. I just need them to like actually move. They're not really moving fast. Since open, we only dropped 50 cents. Seems like a disgusting day again today.
Yeah, I'm just chilling. I might try like a quick scalp somewhere soon. Thank you for posting that, Norville.
Oh, Norville. He's here?
Is he in the chat yet?
No.
He's not in chat yet, but he posted the economic news. Which is like nothing.
I hope he got out of his swing calls.
Depending on when he bought him yesterday, he should be roughly around break even, maybe a little bit down.
I think he hit him at pretty sure he hit him at Monday's lows, so should be fine as long as we don't just continue to leak out.
Oh, Monday lows, nice.
I don't see enough power yet for me to go long. If we reject POC, we're going to take another leg lower and go to previous close, so that's what I'm waiting for. QQQ's still hanging out on previous close. I don't trust it. We're spending too much time here. The one time puts at open work. Yeah. I don't know. Typically when I'm not feeling pressured into a trade, and by pressured I mean just because Dimitri and we both give each other FOMO, I like to wait it out and wait for a cycle. We haven't had a cycle yet. It's just selling. So once we get some cycles on the chart, that's when you can start attacking. Obviously, we have levels here, but if there's no cycles, then the levels aren't respected. It doesn't matter.
I'm assuming you can't hear my son in the kitchen just yelling.
No.
It's talking about something. I don't know. He's eating oatmeal with my dad.
Having his morning debate.
Yeah, something. Talking about construction vehicles that we saw at the park.
Gosh, this is looking like it's going to be a freaking painful day.
I know, Patel. He keeps saying he wants a sister, and I'm like, you mean brother, right?
I have 663 calls on my screen. I'm just waiting. Let's see if they actually knife right through previous close or what their game plan is right now. It's very slow, controlled selling. I'd like to see a pretty big overreaction candle. There we go. There's previous close. QQQ stepping on the gas south now. Sellers are here. Let's wait for a cycle. Oh, Patel, you're doing good now. Are you green on your puts? Your swing puts? Oh, yeah. Nice job, buddy. I'm going to try 663 calls. This previous candle is going to be my stop. It's going to be super, super tight. I'll just stop out of it. See a retest of previous close.
There's still a bit of bids lower. I want to see if those fill first.
I'm just catching this overreaction. I want to push to previous close if possible and just get the fuck out of it. If this candle flips red and we take out this previous candle, I'll stop out for like 2 cents. I'm out. That's it. I'll just keep trying it until it doesn't work. I'm not going to chase puts at low a day, so. If we take this area out right here, we're going to yesterday's lows. QQQ's leaking. Yeah, I agree with you. Look at VIX. VIX breaking back out. All right, I'm going hands off from the call side. Let them settle. See how far they want to go. QQQ is about to wipe out yesterday's lows. Nice job, Joey.
Made
Nice
that
job,
$3 back from yesterday.
QQQ's at yesterday's lows. Does SPY have more room?
Hey, only losing $3 is a good way to lose.
Yesterday's lows. We might bounce here. I'm gonna try it again. 663s. I'm back in. QQQ's at yesterday's lows. There we go. Got my loss back. My 2 cents.
Joe, you had red day in Top Step or what?
Yeah, I kind of went on tilt for a minute. My kid was sick, and he was with me at work, and I didn't realize that I had hotkeys set up, so he was playing on my computer, put me in a trade, and I just let it play out and got fucked, and then bought another one. And then Brittany texts me, and she's like, "You okay? I see all the Top Step accounts." And I was like, "Yep,
Oh,
perfect.
God.
That's what I needed to hear. I'm done. I'm done." She knows to send me a text and just be like, "Are you okay?"
You good?
Nice job,
You
Shuri.
need to chill out.
Right.
I'm trying to squeeze 10 cents out of this. I got 8 cents here. I'll probably take some off. Oh, Jesus. As soon as I said that. No, you're good, dude.
Today I was able
Good
to
job.
trim.
I like where QQQ's bouncing. Yesterday's lows. SPY still has a little more room to go lower. I have a 97-cent average. Let's see if we go and try to retrace PCP on SPY or not. If we reject this, we're gonna put in a fresh low. So I got my finger on sell. This isn't gonna be a home run trade unless we actually take off. PCP would be a nice gift if we get there. Premiums are slow again today. Whenever this rejection comes in, there's a good chance we're going to go to fresh low from here. So if you guys are in calls, I would say pay yourself along the way up. 1 or 2 candles and then just get the fuck out of it. Wind conditions, everything's bearish right now. I just don't want to chase puts at low a day, even though it worked. QQQ is looking like it wants to go lower. This is supply. If they pop through this PCP, if they reject and stay under this fresh low.
Yeah, just hope they're not like getting all the bulls to average in.
There we
here
go.
and just-
There we go. I'm going to take
Here
some
we go.
off. Take some off. Conditions are still bearish. Dude, my premiums do not want to move today.
New home sales. I don't think that should be
Premiums are-
anything crazy.
Premiums are fucking dog shit slow. I hit low a day. I'm not even up. I'm up 10 cents. Yuck. I want us to dump more, dude. I want the VIX back at like 20 bucks so we can just hammer cycles.
What's up, buddy? Good morning.
Oh yeah, he's back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I knew you would come in here on the bearish day that we've had in the last 2 weeks.
The
One
second
day you can hit
main
at
bear.
9:30 puts. What's up,
no,
D?
I'm not trading today. What's up, guys?
I'm in calls right now off of yesterday's lows from QQQ. I just don't think there's no legs, and premiums are pretty slow. Looking for a
Did
retest.
anybody get puts at opening, guys? Did anybody do it?
Someone did.
Patel.
I mean, if you
Patel's-
saw my market update, look, guys, market update, buddy.
Nailed it.
Best place.
Patel
The
swung.
algo range hit to the T, guys.
It's looking like a bear flag now.
Good job, Patel.
If we
Good
go
job,
vomit
Shannon.
mode, I would love it.
Yeah. Is Albert here? No, he's not here.
No. He's a true
He's trying to
Jew.
be a good Jew.
Yeah.
In his words, decent.
Yeah, he said he's trying to be a decent Jew. I
Guys,
think I'm
if
gonna.
you have longer dated puts, my price target is 660 today. 660 to 666. I mean 660, 66.
I think I'm gonna jump out of
You
these.
have longer
calls.
dated, enjoy.
I want PCP to hit, but it doesn't look like bulls are even showing up yet. So
Are you smoked completely today?
me?
No, we've been pretty
Yeah.
patient.
No, this is my. I tried one trade. I stopped out with like 1 cent of loss, and I just got in calls at low a day. But the premiums aren't moving call side.
Yeah.
They're not moving.
Oh no, they're gonna go to the deep south today.
Oh God.
So the quarterly, monthly, expected move, guys, was 664. That's why. So they cashed out already. They cashed out. They're gonna dump it on all the retail now.
Your puts. And your puts,
How
kid?
you doing, Ryan G?
I'm good. I'm just chilling. I went on a run with my son this morning and got here at like 9:35, so I'm trying to just be patient.
Nice.
Kid, if we take out 662 60s, I'm gonna jump out of these calls. There's no power. I want to retest the previous
Last-
close, but I don't think it's gonna happen.
In the last 2 days, me and my family, we hammered down 2 bottles of tequila, Kirkland tequila.
That Costco.
Oh,
I do not like tequila.
Come on, give me a push. There we go. This is trim target here. I'm gonna take some more
Also,
off.
kid, I like to do that with futures, not options, because there's no decay, so just be careful.
Previous close. This is pretty much price target. I'm gonna take it. I'm down to 25. Dimitri, look at Monday, what they did Monday, what they did yesterday, and where we are today.
mm-hmm.
They could take this They could take this right back to the middle and just go sideways and not do anything, and they took money from both sides. if they lose yesterday's lows and Monday's lows, then that's danger zone.
What I see, guys, is on the 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes, this dump is just getting started. This dump, it's just getting started, guys. We're going to the deep south. We're gonna take out yesterday's lows. We're gonna go to Thursday, September 18th lows, or Friday, September 19th lows. This dump is just getting started, guys. This is what I see.
53.
Be very careful.
What time frame? Swing.
653. $10.
No,
Woo!
easy, swing. easy.
Like you mean in the next week or two?
4
Couple
hour.
days?
Easy. I agree with you, swing trades. This dump is just getting started, guys. I want you guys to understand that
2
when
days.
we're going up, all the retards get puts, and when we're going down, all the retards gets calls. Just follow them, guys. They go down, go with them.
Yeah, but
I
this
was just
is
wondering.
bounce zone.
653 today.
Tuesday's lows. We have a
Kid,
lot.
if you hold till we hit 655.
We have a lot here at 662. There's a lot of demand here at 662.
VIX crossed over on the daily time frame, guys. MACD on the daily time frame is in bull territory. VIX, and historically, I want you guys to see when VIX crosses on the daily time frame what happens. VIX is also above the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, and historically, you know what happens when that happens. So we're gonna dump, guys. We're gonna dump very hard. I wish I was participating in this. I can't trade today. Cannot make money today.
I'm short.
Oh, guys, if you have longer dated, 660. Enjoy.
I'm holding
I'll
on
just
to
stop
my
at short if we go over PCP.
I'm holding on to my runners here. 25, that's it. Basically flat on the day. If they take out 662, I'll be convinced that they're going to go lower. But there's a lot of demand at 662. I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame, dude. Do you see the rising bottoms from Thursday of last week?
Yeah, but the conditions have changed, right? Conditions have changed since last Thursday. That's
Correct,
what I
but
mean.
we still have to break through 662 though.
This is exactly what they needed to do. They tested my purple line. Well, not to the T because the algo range was there. They back tested it. And now they're going to the linear line, guys. The linear line is at 660.40s. So it's going to take time, obviously. Intraday, you guys can print on calls. But macro, I see, guys, they should go to 660 today.
Ryan, you just got fucking smoked.
I'm good. I'm only down $500.
Yeah.
I'm not that heavy yet. I have room to double or triple at PCP if it doesn't like blow past it.
I'm staying in my runners. POC, this is POC on QQQ. This is rejection zone. This is previous close on SPY. If they push one more push north, then that's VWAP, and then I could see them actually putting a nice reversal to 664.
I got a big cushion from Monday. I'm fine.
Anybody hold conviction with me? No?
I don't know, micro, you're going to print, obviously, on calls. If you have longer dated, you could just set it and forget it. I'm pretty sure Jim is also in runners, right? In his puts.
I don't know, but I'll tell you what, dude. For the size of this move and me only being up 20 cents is kind of bullshit. We're not really moving. If you look at the
Not
chart,
moving?
like the price range on the chart,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's very tight. It's not. These candles look big, but they're not big candles. They're 30 cents, 40 cents a candle. VWAP, this is where you sell. I'm gonna go all out. I'm all out. I'm gonna get back in puts. Maybe chase this, see if they trap. I'm in 664 puts.
Come right back down and trap.
662.80 is gonna be price target. I already got 14 cents on the put side. I got 14 cents on the put side and only 20 cents going all the way from bottom to top.
Dang.
They're not playing calls, as you can see. Yeah? They're not paying them.
I got 18 cents here on puts. $1.45 average.
And I wish I could trade.
I'll take
I
some
wish I could
off.
trade.
I'll take half off. This is bounce zone 662.80s. If they crack 662.80s fresh low, I'll see if I can hold my 50 runners for fresh low. QQQ is looking like it wants to build some sloping support, but conditions are bearish.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Vomit mode. Let's break this and go. I'm like,
This
breaking
is sell
free.
target here. This is it. I'm going to take it.
This is it.
$1.44 to $1.69.
I forgot. If anybody wants to see my screen.
Do you think the market makers know where your purple line is?
Just move it. Move it a little bit.
Dude, what was it? Who was trolling me? Was it Westside or something? And he put like 17 sloping resistance lines on his chart. I was like, it won't break.
That's funny. I'm just very organized with my levels.
No, I'm just trolling you. I like being organized with those too. I usually have like
You have
4
to.
different shapes drawn on the 1 hour to the daily.
Yeah, you have to, man. I'm very organized. Like my yellow levels are major, my purple levels are weekly, and my blue levels are gaps.
Spending a lot of time at low a day. Have a pretty strong feeling that they're going to take the floor. Unless that was a stop out candle and they don't want to take bulls back up.
Their agenda also, guys, if you've noticed that we sliced 5-day moving average like butter. And now we need to consolidate below the 5-day moving average so it flattens. That's macro what needs to be done, guys. We need to chill below it.
Yeah, wait for it to
If
catch
you
up.
guys want to see the real pump.
You know what I want? I just want VIX back to like $20. That's all. However much it takes for them to pull VIX up to $20, that's where I want to be. I hate trading all-time highs in a low VIX environment. It's not fun.
Oh, by the way, swing trade, you here? You're listening to me?
Yeah, he's here.
He's here. So you know how the news media and all the outlets, they're gonna say that Powell said that our market is overvalued. It's all bullshit because right at the 15-minute swing, what happened on the 15 minutes at 9:45? You saw that, brother? 9:45 at 15 minutes. Bearish divergence on 15 minutes, guys. Confirmation. Perfect. Dump. Right at 9:45. But the immediate outlets is gonna say this, that. They're gonna connect the dots.
Did you watch Trump's United Nations address?
Yeah, well, he shitted on everybody but
He
immigration.
fucking steamrolled the whole entire UN. And then he sat there and talked about, he's like, I got my gas prices up or down. he's like shitting on them about their teleprompter being
Shitting on
broken.
everybody, yeah.
He's like, you guys don't even pick up the phone, and I'm ending wars. It was great.
It is just wild how that's our president.
I thought it was fucking hilarious, dude. He's got no shame in his game.
Hilarious.
God
He's-
bless that president.
He's just fucking hammering. It's one of those guys where he's got no filter. He's just.
Yeah,
I know people
100%.
like that.
Dude, I have a guy that I work with that is hilarious like that. Like, he just talks to people like they're totally stupid. It cracks me up.
We're spending a lot of time here. I have a strong feeling we're gonna take the lows out. So I'm gonna wait for
You guys
some
see
drama.
Cherie's question? Was that yesterday's 15-minute at 9:45? You were talking
Yeah,
about or today?
yesterday's 15-minute at 9:45 was a beautiful picture perfect bearish divergence. We made a higher high from yesterday, from 2 days ago, a couple of cents. And
That
look at
could be the
the rollover right away. The next 15 minutes it rolled over. Conditions were very weak at that point, and then boom. It was beautiful. It was just picture perfect. It was only on the 15 minutes, not 30 minutes.
Dimitri,
Yes, sir. What's up, Patel?
Can't really hear you, brother.
Yeah,
sorry,
your mic.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 4 hour looks very bad.
4 hour. It's still okay though. Why do you say it's bad?
Yeah. So basically, see, yesterday there was a big red candle, right, on 4 hour.
Yeah.
We just had a small green, and then just a thin line. Again, we have a big red. I feel it's gonna go more down now because there is no continuation even in the 4 hour. Previously, when we had dropped, we continued with the big green candles. Okay. For now, I don't see still big green candle until we see that it's not reversing the 5-day EMA that you mentioned, right? So before daily, the 4 hour will take over, right?
That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. You know what it is? If you look at the daily swing, every single pullback, everybody thought after a red candle, which it makes sense. You get a red candle, you
Yeah.
get 2 greens. You get a red candle, you get a green. You get a red candle, you get 2, 3 greens. Psychologically, people are thinking that yesterday's pullback is a beautiful buying opportunity, and I can imagine them smacking it down to the 20 eventually.
Yeah, 20. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah,
653 something.
I can imagine. It makes sense.
Norville,
Pattern recognition.
Norville, did
Because
you take your
20,
profits? Sorry, Patel.
20 touchdown happens every month. Okay. So last time we touched it, went below and reversed it. September 1st, if you see September 2nd, right? And then the whole month so far 24 days, right? We don't have a touch yet. So roughly around 1 month, it touches like 2 times or so. If you see the past, right? August 21st, then 1st August, then 17th July, then 23rd June. So roughly in like 30 days, around 2 times or so, it will touch. And we have been 4 months up. I think it's gonna go down.
To the 20?
No, overall, yeah, 20. So 20 touchdown is like almost twice or once a month.
Yeah,
So
once
it's
a month
time
on average.
now. Yeah, on average. And even in the uptrending market like 2024, we get often, touch of that, like 20 EMA or 20 EMA, whatever, right? And seasonally, like if you think, right, I mean, historically, 3 to 4 months spike goes up max, and then there is at least 3 to 5% pullback. And
Yeah,
since May, if you see May, June, like almost more than 4 months now, starting from May. So there is definitely maybe pullback coming. But
I agree with you, whatever you just said on that, because the daily, I mean the quarterly expected move, the quarterly for
hmm,
September is
yeah,
664.
yeah. And if you see these, the photo that I shared, right, that ABI thing, the absolute breadth index, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yesterday, something popped up on YouTube. There was some guy, like I think Wolf of Wall Street, some guy. He had some video. So he shared this ABI thing, the indicator, and he showed correlation with all the major pullback. So when it is at the bottom, the ABI, and there are some Grim Reaper, something is there. I'll share the video with you. So overall, I mean, in general, I feel like coming next week or so, there will be a huge dump or something coming actually. Once because they already touched 6,700. I feel 6,800, but I feel that's not gonna come. Before that, I think maybe 5% pullback. So we'll see. So overall, I mean, when broadly we are going down, then intraday it will be more reasonable to get puts, maybe, right?
Uh, i- you could speculate, I guess, with longer dated puts.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing mostly.
Yeah, I
Speculation.
wouldn't speculate with shorter dated. I'm pretty sure like a month out will definitely print. But if you're gonna
Yeah,
speculate like a week, I wouldn't do it.
yeah.
Looks like bulls are trying to show up here. Let's see if they flip view up.
Yesterday we didn't touch VWAP, right? Stayed all the
Yesterday?
way below. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
no touch.
Since
Oh
All the
yeah,
time
since like
below.
10 o'clock.
yeah.
Yeah, very far distance from VWAP.
Cloud conditions are starting to change. I like
I'm
to see
not
them.
bullish at all today, guys. I think we're gonna dump looking at the conditions of the 30-minute charts.
I like to see
But
them
it's
go
gonna
back to
take a long time.
POC first.
It's gonna take a very long time.
They rug this back to POC. I would try a long. I'm not going to chase a long out of here though. Anything, a good short's coming up. QQQ's a POC VWAP dancing around. I'm going to try 664 put. 663.60s is going to be my risk. I'll double at 663.60s.
Nice.
And then anything
Following
past
the wind, baby.
663.60s, I'll stop out. Do notice premiums, they're not really moving fast today, so either hit it with size or save room to add. Same thing as yesterday. It's very small cycle, small range yesterday. You have to be okay with taking a few cents of profit.
This is break of structure also, guys. We literally hit break of structure.
Oh yeah.
Puts his best here. Puts his best here, guys.
They're not
45.
moving though. It's crazy. They're not. I mean, I pretty much top ticked that, and I only got 2 cents.
I'm waiting to see if they try to break VWAP and then dump to double.
Yeah, as long as if they stay under 663.60, I'll put a double in there. But anything past that, I'm not gonna participate, because then they'll just try to do a reversal. Then we got the 200 above. Just spending a lot of time down here. I know we have squeeze bullish and MACD's looking healthy. Cloud conditions are changing bullish, but overall direction still bears.
Well, now they have 5 minutes to play around, if anything. They could break VWAP
I'll give them
because
until
they just have a fresh 5 minutes to confirm break of structure now.
663.60s. I'll give them until anything past that, I'll stop.
This is looking like a bear flag, in my opinion.
Buddy, this is looking like we're gonna go to POC. 662.90s. That's what I want.
It's bearish.
But we have
Hey,
rising.
did Albert go on yesterday or 2 days ago or today?
No, he said he's not supposed to be on his phone.
Yeah, we're not supposed to do anything actually, just pray. But I can't. I have to be on my phone. I have to text him if he still has SPXS.
He was on Monday for a few minutes.
I talked to him last night. He's still got the SPXS.
Oh, he does? Thank you, Joey. Oh, awesome.
Awesome. That kid needs like 640 to break even, right?
635, 638, like that. He needs to break even. He doesn't like to add. That's his problem. He doesn't like to add.
Yeah, he's scared of it.
He's scared of adding.
He's scared of the loss he's taking right now. He was like, "Did I sell it?" And I'm like, "I don't know. I don't know. I don't play those. I don't know. I know. Last time I told you to sell something, you could have made money."
They just don't.
Well, I didn't really make money. Also, what I did on Friday, I tripled on Friday. I had 300 contracts. I swung. That was my only trade on Monday. I just exited at 9:30, and I actually lost $500 on it.
Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna trim. I got 14 cents. I'm gonna take half off here.
My swing puts. I mean, it was very difficult.
Every single trade that I got into today has taken like 3 or 4 candles to play out. Same thing with yesterday.
What's the IV for same days?
They're not bad. They're not inflated, but they're not completely destroyed. It's the amount that we're moving on the chart. We're not moving, you know? Like it looks like a normal chart any other day, but if you look at the price, we're not really moving. It's that whole entire candle is only 10 cents. Not a lot of money. I'm down to half size position. I'll give it to
I wonder
6.
if volume is extremely dried because of Rosh Hashanah for the last few days. Because Jews are not supposed to trade. I wonder if they make up some volume in the market.
You think so?
I don't know. That's speculation. I have no idea.
They're the market makers?
I'm speculating. I'm not gassing anybody off. I don't know. But there is a saying. I don't know. Did anybody hear this saying? Sell in Rosh Hashanah, buy Yom Kippur. Anybody hear that saying?
I've heard that before.
Yeah.
Same with like the eclipses. They're like, oh,
Right, where the hell did you get that?
I don't know. Is that
Were you
at
saving that?
is that at Forest Park?
That's fucking hilarious.
I'm still holding runners, dude.
Oh, there
Do
you go.
something.
Yes, sell Rosh Hashanah, buy Yom Kippur. Thank you, Patel. Yeah. Wow, it's a real thing.
I want POC to hit 620, 662.80s. If they smoke through POC, I want fresh low. This is like sloping support that they're trying to build here, but if they crack it, we should get at least POC.
I agree with you. It's because not only it's theory. I think the whole market is options derived. So if they dump, and on Friday they should pump it just to burn all those puts, all those fresh airs from the beginning of the week. It
All
makes
right.
sense.
It's party time here. If we break this,
come on, baby.
QQQ's at the floor.
Today is Wednesday. Oh, yeah. Today and tomorrow should be dumb days, and then Friday should be a nice pump day.
I got $1,000 on runners here. Do I take it? I'm gonna stay in for one more candle. This is bounce zone QQQ.
Just one more vomit candle. Come on. Stupid sloping support.
I'm not going to add to this or anything. I'm just holding runners. $1.35 is my average. 664 puts. I got
By the
about
way,
10
does
cents
anybody
here.
have Nvidia shorts? Nvidia looking like shit, guys. It has a death cross on the daily chart. Nvidia looking very bad.
POC keeps
Microsoft
popping around.
won. Holy shit. Wow, Nvidia and Microsoft, guys. Death cross.
Come on, give me one fresh low candle.
I hope that pump right there was the bull trap.
The stop out candle. Yeah.
The stop. Like just fucking blow past this level right now. Come on.
Looks like they should do it. Dude, it's just yesterday, same thing yesterday. My trades that I usually like to take for one or two candles, they're taking 4 or 5 candles, if not more. I hate holding for this long, but since we're not moving, there's no money. You got to wait for it to actually move. QQQ has POC. They're at bounce zone. If QQQ slices 597.70s, we're gonna go to fresh low on SPY, or at least double bottom on SPY. But this is sloping support here. They're trying to create sloping support.
Guys, I just posted a picture of Amazon. And you see what happened on Monday, guys, on Amazon? The 5-day moving average crossed with the 20-day moving average. And then boom, that big ass dump. And it touched the bottom of the Bollinger Band. That's what needs to happen to SPY,
Here we
guys,
go.
if you want that big...
Here we go. Come on, baby. Push.
Here we go.
Push. POC is probably the most logical place to take majority of your position off. 662.80s.
ES keeps testing its 5-day
QQQ
moving
still-
average on the daily.
QQQ still holding this demand here. I need them to break it. I feel like I'm being greedy now. I got $1,000 on runners.
Hold 5 runners all day.
Huh?
Hold like
I
5
still
runners all
definitely
day.
think it's gonna dump.
I think it's gonna dump like crazy, Ryan.
We're not going anywhere. Now this is starting to look like a little bit of a bull flag structure. If they break out of this sloping resistance, we're going to fly past VWAP. QQQ's at demand.
We did break sloping support though. Theoretically, we should touch the bottom of the candle.
If they shoot this out, though, they're going to
Bitcoin.
break right through VWAP. I got $300 left on runners. I'm just going to take it. I'm all out. I'll reposition myself if we get back above VWAP. Or if I see QQQ take out 597.70s, I'll jump back in puts. 664 puts on my screen.
My
Take care,
son's in here
kid.
screaming, "Come on, Papa!"
Hey, does anybody know how to short Bitcoin?
Like the ETF, Bitcoin ETF, or actual Bitcoin?
The Bitcoin. I have no
It's
idea.
ChatGPT, you can find out.
Can we do it on Schwab?
Bitcoin is the
I don't
best
think you
short,
can
guys.
go short.
In my opinion, Bitcoin's gonna dump to 110.
Bitcoin.
I think you need an actual like crypto wallet type thing.
It
I
doesn't
don't even
show
have
up.
any of that.
It doesn't show up
I'm just
on
looking at
Schwab.
the chart of Bitcoin, guys. The 5-day moving average crossed from the 20, just like it did on Amazon. It's gonna hit the bottom Bollinger Band for Bitcoin. 110.
I'm
is
back in.
Bitcoin now,
I'm
price.
back in 664 puts. It looks like Q's is going to try to break this floor. $1.39 is my average now.
Ryan, just hold all day. Take a week put and just hold all day. I
No.
promise you, you'll get paid.
I'm up. I'm up $500. I'm up 4,400 on the day.
I wish I was able to trade today.
I don't trust the market, dude. I don't trust the market, especially from yesterday. Yesterday was so controlled. We weren't really getting cycles. We're not really getting cycles now. It's just chop, wicks.
What's the put to call ratio, Ryan?
It's put side heavy, which is not really favorable to my shorts that I'm in right now. I feel like they're going to smoke through VWAP. I'm just looking at this floor on QQQ, 597.70s. If they take that floor, then SPY's going to go fast to maybe double bottom.
Perpetuals futures exchanges. Thank you, Joey. I'm actually reading this.
How the fuck do you take a screenshot that long?
Switch to Android.
He's got that Samsung.
Yes, sir.
Switch to Android.
If you buy and
Just
hold
scroll
until
and
tomorrow, you
screenshot.
actually didn't trade today. That's a good point. I'm giving this until 660, 360. I'll double there.
No, we're not supposed to make money today. We're not supposed to do anything. Today, yesterday, and 2 days ago. It's a very, very holy holiday. And I don't want the rest of my year to fuck up. That's why. I believe in this holiday. This is the biggest holiday ever.
They could shoot this out right now. 660, 360. Give me a rug pull.
And
We're
it's
rejecting off of break of structure, guys. Just keep hammering it as long as break of structure is rejecting.
Oh, buddy, I'm
Just
in.
rejecting.
My contracts are not moving, though.
and
Well,
QQs
I only got
just
4
chasing
cents.
rejection.
There you go. There's QQQ. Let's break this floor on Qs. This is sloping
Come on.
support. They're still trying to respect this sloping support here. Slicing.
Beautiful. We're
Slicing.
supposed to touch the bottom since we did break sloping support.
Just give me a holy red death bar.
A holy one?
A Rosh Hashanah bar. right to 662. I want a Rosh Hashanah candle right to 662.27. Fresh low. Oh yeah, there goes Q's.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Break.
I got 22 cents here. I'm going to take 50 contracts off. This is POC. This is bounce zone. Anything past this is a gift. QQQ looking like shit.
Let me get a gift.
Beautiful. Bottom, the low of day, guys. Since we broke sloping support, low of day should touch.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Good job, Ryan. I have so much FOMO right now, honestly.
I'm sorry, buddy.
So much FOMO right now I have. Because I know it's going to dump all day today and tomorrow probably. I have so much fucking FOMO. Easy money today, guys. If anybody has long-dated puts, easy money.
I'm going to take some more off. This is bounce zone. I'll hold 25 contracts for you, Dimitri. I'm up 60.
No, don't. You might get dated burned. You should hold long-dated.
No. I'm
Long
saying I took 75% off my position. I'm going to hold 25 for a low a day. And if they flip 660, 360, I'll stop out.
Oh, I thought you said all day, yeah. But long-dated, if anybody has long-dated, enjoy. 660 is my price target for a long-dated today.
Actually, you know what? I'm a baby, so I'm only going to risk $500 on this. Just above VWAP is my stop. $1.19 is my stop.
Kool-Aid, baby. We making out of the hood.
Oh,
Hey, Ryan. Hey, Ryan. I wanted to ask you a question today.
Which one?
You know those people on Instagram, the big gurus?
Who?
And there's an Indian guy that I follow.
Yeah, the one that does market updates.
Yeah. So he has, after end of every single video, he's like, comment system, and I'll send you a DM of a link. Why don't we just send DMs of everybody that comments systems ourselves to them? Is that spamming? Is that illegal? Can we
No,
get in
there's.
trouble?
What do you mean comment system? Like he has an automated link?
No. So he makes a video. He has a shit ton of followers. People comment on his video because he wants them to say, oh, comment, I'm gay. Comment whatever you want. You know, like whatever comment they want. And then once they comment, he sends them a DM. You get it? Not just system or comment Ichimoku or comment whatever it is. You get it?
Yeah.
So we spot out those comments and we spam out those people. Will we get in trouble?
Why would we get in trouble?
I think we should start doing that.
It's probably a bot. It's probably an automated bot that you can set up on Instagram where you get an inbox for a certain keyword and it sends out the link.
We should start setting that up.
Yeah, Chris, exactly. Engagement baiting.
I just found it incredible, actually, how many comments he has.
My runners are break even here.
Trying to get the algo going.
My runners are break even. QQQ made a higher low off double bottom. They didn't make a lower low. I want to see them poke through VWAP. I'll probably just double my 25 to 50 and then a small pullback. I'll get out of them. I'm at 75 red on this position. I'm up 5,500 on the day. Yeah, Chris, that's the plan, but the problem is it's just a lot of work. We've been doing.
I'm horrible at marketing, Chris. I'm very bad at marketing.
We just had this conversation. We're not promising people the fake dream like you see on 90% of the people on YouTube saying, "Oh, you want to own a Bugatti? Give me $1 million and I'll show you how to trade." It's fucking $100. If you guys can't make $100 in a month trading with us, then I would say maybe find a different career path. No offense.
No, I want to grow the community. I want a big community, obviously. But the thing is that I don't like social media, Chris. I don't like putting my face out there. Like my Instagram is 0, like posts. I think social media is the devil. So I don't know how to grow something because I know people like relatable.
Yeah.
And like if you don't see my face and my personality on Instagram and
So we
all that
need
other
we need
bullshit,
Albert's
nobody's gonna
sexy
sign
ass
up.
to be the face of the company.
Yeah. I just don't like social media, and it's impossible to grow something without putting your face there. I know that.
You got to get Albert to chill out a little bit on the selling.
I can't. I'm not a sleazy salesperson. Also, I'm very honest.
Yeah.
I'm cutthroat like a motherfucker, but I'm honest.
Yeah, I think that's why the community we have is what we have. It's not about I don't know how to say this without sounding like a douchebag. There's just a lot of people on YouTube that I know personally that just sell the dream, and it's more of a numbers game. I would prefer to actually teach people how to make money. I don't know, Shannon, probably whatever you see here. Not a lot.
I also like seeing members who are here every single day and contributing and like actually here to learn.
Yeah, man, it's nice to build a community, and then obviously if we're all making money, then what, it's great. That's what I like.
You guys have your balls here, where it's like super resistance here. This is a crazy resistance area, guys.
I'm still holding my
Your balls.
25 puts. I want to see them slice through VWAP. I'll double the
I just
25.
see mega resistance here, guys. This is the best place to just get puts and just hold it. There's stupid amount of resistance here. I see.
Dimitri, we could try that out though if you want. In one of your
I don't know if it's like sleazy and like we'll get flagged for spamming. I don't know.
Why
That's
would
I
we
wanted to
get
ask.
sleazy flagged? No, dude. Not at
He's
all.
saying if you go to his video and spam his comments.
Yeah. If we go to
Oh,
his
you're
video
saying
and
spam
DM
his video.
Yeah, I want to spam.
Yeah, it's
I
a
wanna
little
spam all the
sleazy.
people- I want to spam all the people that comment on his video and just DM them on the back end. He
Here's
won't
your
know.
link.
Oh, that's
You
funny.
get it? Like,
Yeah,
hey,
that's
here's
funny.
your link from TradeHub Stocks. You get it?
And then,
You get it?
yeah, but are you referring to the Indian guy that does the market updates? That means that you're gonna have to have Patel talking. Welcome in, Patel or Den.
Buddy.
No, that's terrible, dude.
At the end of the day, we know what we're doing, honestly. I feel like I'm very good at charting. I think I'm the best at charting. That's all you need. Teach people how to chart. Welcome to the community.
Yeah, Den just said he could do it.
It'll be our voiceover.
No, that's sleazy, dude.
That's
what
I was referring.
That's what we were
All the
doing on.
people that
That's what we were
message
doing
him
on Meet
the
Kevin's
comment.
video, and you got fucking roasted for talking shit.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was wondering because a lot of people comment system, and if we just go on our TradeHub Stocks Instagram and just message them, hey, we noticed that you just commented. Here's our group.
All right.
That's what I was referring to.
Okay. Let me dial up a nice chat GPT.
Look at his latest post, Ryan, and look at that post comment. How many people actually typed in system? That's what I was referring to.
Basically, you're trying to scalp his comments.
Correct. I'm just trying to get his engagement and just steal people from him. Is that bad?
That's pretty bad.
So fuck it then.
Thanks for commenting. If you'd like to trade live with us, here's the link. How's that?
It's frowned upon.
I'm holding
It's like
runners
that.
still. I want low a day now. This is taking too long.
Oh yeah, hold. Mega resistance above, honestly. Super amount of resistance.
Do you know what his channel name is?
E capitals, I think.
What?
Let me see.
What is it?
I think it's E capitals.
It's not illegal. It's frowned upon. Like masturbating on an airplane. Pretty sure that's illegal.
Damn it, I can't find him now.
Yeah, you probably just got blocked because he's freaking listening.
No, buddy, we're small fries.
I know.
Right here. Key capitals. I was right. K capitals. He has 68 comments, and a lot of people comment what he wants. I don't know. I don't know how this social media algo works.
No, he did very well this year. If this is real, 1.5 million on the year.
What?
You really had to chat GPT that.
Yeah, there's a bathroom.
That's. I don't know, dude. It was in The Hangover. It has to be true.
I see the video that you're referring to, Dimitri.
His video that he posted today in the morning. And he says, comment this, and I'll send you my group.
Yeah.
Wow, resistance is breaking. The structure is still bearish. Look at the MACD, how it's hugging and kissing. No volume here. Let me see the VIX.
Yeah, I don't know. HYG, Dimitri and I paid a lot of money for YouTube, and it doesn't, there's no organic growth. It's just bots. What's the point, you know? I don't really see the point.
Oh, it's horrible. We paid how much to YouTube for that audience growth, and my market updates videos
Like
have less than 100 views.
26, 27.
Yeah, it's disgusting. Look how much video views my market updates gets. Nothing.
The market's done.
Yeah, volume really dried up. This is very interesting.
I had a lot of opportunity to get out of these runners, but they're just sitting here $200 red. I'll give it to 660, 360. I'll probably throw an add on and then maybe a pullback to view up to get out. I don't want to add here because if they take the supply out, they're going to have a nice push north. So I'm just going to wait. This position could go to 0. I'll still be green on the day.
It's gonna take time, guys, if you're waiting for the dump. We're gonna dump today, I feel like. It's gonna take time.
Unless this is a dump and they just burn it down now, because look at how much volume. MACD's hugging and kissing. Volume dried. 660, 360s.
Plus, macro, guys, we need to make the 5-day moving average flat. And we're finally below it, and we're consolidating below it. So, whatever needs to happen for a dump, guys, is happening right now. As long as we're below 664, that's the 5-day moving average.
Look at the cloud. Cloud's fucking horrible. Did you listen to Powell's speech yesterday, Dimitri?
No. I just saw headlines that Powell thought that the stock market is overvalued, and that's why we dumped. That's like they always like put two things together just to make an excuse of the dump. Social media.
Right.
That's all I heard. Which is completely ridiculous.
I'm I'm going to wait one more candle, one or two more candles. I'm going to double up my runners to 50 contracts and see if I can get out of these now.
This is break of structure, guys. This is break of structure.
Cannot wake up today. Where's POC? POC's way down there. Put side heavy? Yeah. I seize that. Like bulls are going to try to step in here and see how far they go. If they smoke through 660, 360, I'll probably just dump the runners. As long as they stay under that. If they're under the 200, I'll double. You know what? I'll put 25 on here.
This is exactly 50% from the dump to today.
I'm down 10 cents. 50 contracts. What do I need? I need 663 30s to be break even.
I would slam puts like crazy right now.
I don't know if I want to go up to 100 contracts just because where we are, if they step on the gas, bulls. I'm about to be break even on this anyway.
Major puts here. They're fooling, guys. They're fooling. They want to go down. They don't want retail to go with them. They're gonna go to the deep south right now.
Here we go. I'm green. Oh yeah.
There we go. I knew that shit was gonna happen. Honestly, I have so much fun.
What if I take a trade for you in Apple Cashew? Does that count?
I'm not supposed to make any money today, yesterday, and 2 days ago. We're not supposed to do anything. We're supposed to fucking pray all day and ask for forgiveness. I'm supposed to ask for people for forgiveness all week.
I'm going to take 25 off here. Thank God.
I'm just losing my mind doing nothing at home.
You're not allowed to ride your car, drive in your car.
We're not supposed to do anything. We're supposed to just... It's Sabbath. It's basically Sabbath rules that are in effect for 3 days. For the last 3 days. We're not supposed to do anything.
Pull back to previous close, support, bounce, 660, 360. This is supply, small supply. If they smoke through the 200, then I should have took everything off. I only took 25 off on that pullback.
Well, if they blow past the 200, it's going to be 100% retracement. We're going to high day.
Yeah.
This is the last chance bears have.
All right, let's rinse and repeat this. Put another 25 on. QQQ's at previous close.
If we don't get a smackdown in the next 2 minutes, guys, it's going to be a break of structure. Break of structure is going to confirm in 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
QQQ's got a reject here. PCP. This is supply on QQQ.
We need to go deep, deep south in the next 2 minutes. If you're bearish.
I have a $1.16 average. I'm probably just going to dump this at break even now.
I think you should hold, Ryan. Let the 5-minute candle close.
I'm break
You
even
should hold.
here.
I'm telling you. Look at the 5-minute candle. There we go.
Break even here. I'm just looking at the tops of these candles: 1033, 1018, 1005. The tops of this here. If we bounce and validate the top of this range, then we're gonna remain bullish. If we get back
There we
below
go.
this 630, 663.40s, then that would be a nice trap.
There we go. This is exactly what needs to be happening if you're bearish, guys. The 5-minute candle needs to die right now. There we
Wow,
go.
nice.
See them fooling? You see them fooling? This is what they're doing, these motherfuckers.
I'm gonna take 25
I
back
doubled
off.
up.
Now they're gonna go down.
I just took my 25 back off. I'm back to 25, and my average is all the way down to $1.12. So we got to be above the 200 for me to flip red. I'm not fucking
Look
leaving.
at that. They're gonna dump like crazy now, in my opinion. Everybody's trapped, guys. They thought that we're gonna do a break of structure, but it has to confirm
Nice
on
job,
the
Joey.
5-minute time.
Shut it off.
Um,
1500. Shut it off.
Oh my gosh,
Beautiful.
please.
Now we're gonna go,
Like
guys.
crazy. That was the VWAP. That was the rate above VWAP on ES if this does go.
Now we're gonna go deep south, baby. Deep
Sloping
south.
supports coming up.
Gosh, just
I wish I was in
explode.
100 contracts.
There we go,
Dude.
guys.
Damn it. I'm only in
It's a-
25.
What a beautiful trap, guys. Look at the 5-minute candle, guys, and we just closed it. Now we're gonna dump like crazy.
This is trim zone number 2. They slice right through this, then 662.80s.
Hey, look at this. Motherfucker, I can't trade.
I'm going to take it. I'm up 950 on 25 contracts.
Oh, they're gonna steamroll this and
Hold,
Q's almost getting
Ryan.
below day.
Hold it.
Come on, 30 seconds. Break
don't-
this bottom.
Unless QQQ can make a fresh low, this is where I sell.
They're fighting at the 24 like 800 level on NQ.
I got a $1.12 average. We're at $1.53. Damn it, dude. I wish I was in 100 contracts.
If they lose this psych level, I feel like it is gonna for sure vomit.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A beautiful trap.
I'm going to take it all. 662.80s is probably make or break. If they take out 662.80s, fresh lows in play, I'm all out. 65.25 on the day. QQQ wants to go lower. Are they going to do it?
Come on. Come on.
Dimitri, I'm having second thoughts about this phone.
The air.
Yeah.
I never spoke
What's
to you
going on with
about how that phone is. How is that phone?
It's really great. The battery's not bad, but I'm missing my cameras. I'm missing the big zoom camera and the macro ultra wide camera.
Well, obviously that, Joey.
I was about to say something very, very dirty because you need to zoom into something, but I'm gonna keep my mouth shut.
I don't need to zoom
I
into
would-
nothing. I need the macro. I need the magnifier camera.
Correct. That's exactly my point. You gotta magnify something.
You fucking dick. Welcome back.
It's glad to be back, right?
Yeah, I don't know. It's cool. The form factor is really cool, but it's just not. I don't know. I just miss the I miss the Pro. I think I'm gonna return this.
I hear bad things about the Pro also. Like if you drop it one time, it
Oh,
dents like
dude.
crazy.
Yeah,
Incredible
yeah.
that is.
It's
Apple fucked up this year, huh?
it scratches because they did the all aluminum body. This is sell target, guys. This is where you go majority out. Anything past this, runners. 662.80.
I got my watch, by the way. It looks sick.
Which band did
Which
you
one did you
get?
get?
Orange.
I got the Hermes orange. It's sick, dude. I love it.
Did you get the Ultra or the 11?
I don't know what the fuck I got, Ryan. I got the latest one with Hermes.
How much was it?
Fucking $1,200.
That's probably the
$1,100.
Ultra.
Yeah.
Is it really thick?
It looks beautiful. I'll take a picture. Looks gorgeous. I love it. The only reason, honestly, I got it, I feel like a retard. I just got it just to make it look nice with my phone. Because it's the orange and orange. Other than that, it's just a waste of money. I'll probably get sick and tired of it soon.
Yeah, Joey, that's wild, that zoom. It's sick, but I don't know, dude. It's not an option. I tried looking into switching off of Apple. It's just not an option for me.
It's too deep.
I am, dude. It's just everything works together. Everything's paired. It's fine.
That's how my wife is too, because she has a MacBook, an iPad, and a watch.
Exactly.
I'm like, it makes no sense to switch.
Dude, I don't have any complaints. I just don't know if I like not having all these cameras. The phone feels disgustingly sick. Like it's the craziest phone that I've ever held. The battery's fine.
You're
Lasts
not
me
a camera person, though, are you? You
I-
don't take that much camera photos. And
I
stuff?
love photos. All like the
Bro,
motocross stuff.
You don't take photos so much that the only picture on your social media you have fucking hair in.
Hmm?
You have hair on your Facebook profile picture, bro, and you don't fucking have hair and haven't in a long time.
I don't use Facebook. I don't use social media like that just because of people like you.
Scumbag.
I don't want people to fucking see what the hell I'm doing all the time.
Dude, I seen that picture and I had to double take. I'm like, is that really him? He's got fucking hair?
Yeah.
And I thought you were blonde. I didn't know you were fucking whatever.
Blonde? I'm a fucking
That's
Italian. I was born born with chest hair, buddy.
And a gold chain.
I came out of the womb with the hair on my back.
And pasta hanging out of your mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, it was the umbilical cord. I thought it was pasta.
Christ.
Some calamari. I don't know. We'll see how it is when the Pro comes in.
You ordered the Pro also?
I ordered the regular Pro, not the big ass one, not the Max.
Orange?
Yes, orange.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be Orange Brothers.
And I have the black. I have the black Air, because the Air is actually big. The screen on the Air is almost the size of the Pro Max.
It's not
It's
cool,
like
man.
the
So many
equivalent of
people
a
have it
Plus.
on YouTube, and I'm only gonna have it on the 3rd week of October. That's fucked up.
Mine says 12 to 19. That's what the Apple Store says. But Dimitri, you have to keep checking. If you check the Apple Store and you see like a shipment came in, you can cancel your pre-order and then just redo the order and say pick it up in store. That's what I did for the Air. Because when I flew back to Florida, they must have got a shipment to the Palm Beach Gardens Mall, and I canceled my pre-order. Yeah.
Oh, I need a new phone, buddy. My
Oh,
phone is
you-
all cracked.
Need a new phone more than anybody.
There's a sticker that Elliot put that I never took off. My phone is fucked. I have the 14 still. I'm using the 14.
Yeah, the new phone's going to feel like a Bugatti coming from the 14.
Hey man, it works. Thank God.
Looks like they're going to take this floor out. They're just taking their fucking time.
NQ's really close to breaking the floor.
They need to make the 5-day flatten, guys. They need to really do it. There's not gonna be a huge dump until the 5-day flattens.
Joey, did you shut that Top Step account off?
Yeah, that's an eval. I can't do any more anyway.
Okay.
Oh, unless I want to lose 200 to trade again, which actually sounds like a good idea for a degen.
No, I would leave it alone.
No, I'm just fucking around. I'm done. I don't want to fucking keep wasting money on that shit.
I mean, that shit pays you. You just have to know when to shut it
It
off.
does. I go on these tilt modes, dude, and it's like I know I can pass these things in 2 days, and Ryan might understand this. Is like, dude, you fucking get 900, and it's like that's not good enough. Now all of a sudden you want to try to pass it, and then you go fucking blow the goddamn thing. So that's my hard part. Is like I got to get in the mindset of like you don't got to pass it in 2 days. Just slow play it.
Even if you
Yeah.
gave yourself a week, you know?
Yeah, dude, the second you're like, I can get like one more point, then you end up going negative like 4 points.
Oh, yesterday, Ryan, I was at 14.25, and I fucking blew the goddamn thing.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Chasing $75 in profit, I fucking blew that motherfucker. I got mad and hit 5 contracts and gone.
Yeah, that'll do it.
I've blown more accounts within $100 of passing than probably anything.
So why don't you just shut it off if you know that?
Because I'm a fucking degenerate.
So write it down. Write it down on a sticky note and stick it to your computer. If you're within,
Tell myself how I really feel.
yeah, I mean, if you're within $100 or $200 of your profit target, just shut it off or lock yourself out.
Yeah, that's the biggest problem I have with trading still is like my mental.
Dude, look what happened to
feel
me
like
yesterday. I came on for FOMC and I was forcing trades, and I ended up fucking losing a shit ton of money.
You got smoked yesterday?
I got smoked on SPY like crazy.
He fucking printed at the end of the day.
Yeah, but it's awful one candle with an $80,000 same day SPX position is different than trying to scalp chop, you know?
Yeah.
But Dimitri, I'll tell you exactly. I tried
You need
going.
to control your mental, Joey. You know the best thing for me, Joey? I listen to those musics that the one that I like, the reggae music, and I go
Yep.
to the grass, the grass, and just the forest. I close my eyes. I literally hug trees. Like if anybody would look at me,
Right.
I look like a fucking idiot. If somebody would look
No,
at
you
me,
don't.
I just like no, I do. I take my hands. I hug trees. I take their energy and stuff. You know, like I do that. It helps. I'm telling you, it helps. It really
And I'm
does.
sitting here
help.
thinking when you're
This gets
talking about that, I'm
spammed.
like, Ryan G's a tree hugger. He goes out there barefoot and hiking, and then you come
No,
out and say,
it works. It works. I'm telling you. You absorb that energy, and it works like crazy. It
I
really
mean,
does
I
work.
don't hug
Go do
you guys,
that.
but I do recommend walking around in bare feet.
Dimi-
Not
Dimitri,
Ryan says, let's
Dimitri, you
clarify
do
this. I don't hug trees.
I don't know. Make fun of me, but it
Fine.
works. Honestly,
You have to be one.
Energy is phenomenal.
You have to be one with
you
nature.
do yoga, Dimitri?
No.
I
Dimitri?
started doing
That guy
doing
has too
yoga
much
with
hair.
my kids, but it only lasts for like 2 minutes.
No, yoga. See, I'll tell you one thing, man. So, I mean, in general, in US, right here, people think that yoga is all kind of exercise. You know these yoga shakes and all these. You know the shops, right? They twist your body up and down and everything, and they call it yoga, right? That's
Yeah.
not really the yoga. You know, and it's a business they are doing now. But the thing that you did with the tree, right? So those kind of things, like the small things, and you know, like closing your eyes and just sitting, you know, try to concentrate. Those things are yoga. Okay.
Correct.
So
I agree.
yeah, and that helps. Whatever you are doing, right? That helps actually. So yoga is another way. You know, I do sometimes.
You think
Not
it's a
every day.
business, the conventional yoga in America?
Oh yeah, man. This yoga six and all, man. It's just it's not yoga.
Dimitri, you need to try butthole sunning.
The fuck?
Yeah, you guys are so stupid, but I'm telling you, it really works. Joey, go do whatever Ryan G and whatever I did. I do it every day. I go to Forest Park every single day, and I just chill.
Oh, goat
really
walk around with
yoga.
no,
I heard
Goat
about
yoga.
goat
if I walk
yoga.
around with no shoes on over here, I'm probably gonna step on a fucking needle.
No. Wear shoes, buddy. Wear shoes. I don't know how I can walk with no shoes. Also, I'm pale as fuck. I'm gonna bleed immediately.
Dude, I did a 6 mile hike when it was 45 degrees outside with no shoes on.
You have thick skin. I see, huh, on the bottom.
Yeah, I mean, playing soccer all my life helps too.
Yeah, definitely.
So you can't sell feet pics, Ryan.
I probably could if I got a pedicure.
Jesus. This group was so
I'll
much
do it.
quieter the last 2 days. Dimitri comes on and it's fucking free fall recklessness.
Oh, sorry.
It's great. Ryan was bored.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I need to fix right there. Some talons. Oh my gosh.
Fuck Ryan.
Dude, it's a thing. I'm telling you. Look it up.
Do you do it?
No, I would probably get arrested if I did that. Probably do it at a nude beach.
Control your emotions, Joey. It's very easy to do that if you just go to nature. Nature, buddy.
What? Suntan your butthole?
Yeah.
No. Just go
Oh.
to nature, buddy. Just go and listen to regular music, reggae, if I may recommend, or like, just relax.
Jay, I am not in anything. I'm waiting for them to break this floor. I have a feeling that they're going to take the floor. They're just taking their time. They're
I'm
spending
still
too much
holding
time at
shorts
this
and
demand.
futures too.
I would recommend shorts, Jay. I'm super bearish. My price target is right there. I posted it. I could post it again for you. My price target is at the bottom of the parallel channel, buddy. The bottom. That's the gap or break of structure 30.
What did you
That's my
type in
price
for that, Norville?
Don't tell him, Norval.
It's an enema of sunshine.
Swing, I'm gonna check out that book. I like that guy.
QQQ is literally about to take yesterday's lows out, guys. QQQ looking great. Long dated puts will print like crazy, guys. You don't have to stress and trade. Just hold puts, long dated. It's gonna print.
Did you ever watch this guy? Hold on one second. Let me find it.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh yeah, QQQ is at yesterday's lows. We're about to break it, guys.
International life coach, motivational speaker, and best-selling author.
Here we go.
That's so much FOMO, Ryan G. You don't understand. I salivate at this price action. I salivate. You don't understand.
I know, I
I'm
can
looking
hear
at
it.
the chart, but I want to throw up right now. Honestly, I hate this shit that I'm not in it.
Patel, you ever watch this guy?
You have a bad day. Give up. Go home and sleep. Fuck it. Try again tomorrow.
QQQ took out yesterday's lows, guys, and it's bouncing now. Let's see. Judging from the conditions, look at the MACD, guys. I think they're gonna go lower.
You got work to do, Joey? It's all right. You're up 1,500 on that top step. Just shut it off.
QQQ has an open gap, guys. 2 points away. So 2 more points dump for QQQ. QQQ has empty pocket, guys, to the gap. If yesterday's lows gets taken out, it's gap time for QQQ.
We're too bearish for me to look for calls, and I don't want to buy puts at low a day, so. Look at the cloud conditions now on the Qs.
Mm-hmm.
Looking horrible.
Yeah, if QQQ breaks yesterday's lows and makes it a resistance, it's a gap time.
What's VIX doing right now? Are they pumping it?
No, VIX is struggling at last week's highs. My purple line.
It's like the market makers know where your purple lines are.
It's weekly fucking levels, buddy. Last week high, last week low. That's my purple level.
Yeah. They know.
They saw that level.
Ryan, look at your Instagram. I can imagine you and I doing this in the future, having one of those. Can you imagine?
That's funny. It was all flipped up.
Yeah.
Dude, did you see the video that I sent you of the guy that goes to freaking restaurants? And he'll be like, "Oh, I need 1,000 pizzas. I'm gonna feed the homeless." And then the pizza store owner 90% of the time's like, "Oh yeah, it's on us." And then he's freaking taking a video of himself later in his car with his Apple Air Vision Pros on and gambling, eating pizzas. It's so terrible.
Hilarious.
This is it right here, double bottom. See if they take the floor.
No, come on.
Oh,
Come
they're
on,
gonna take it out,
swing.
guys. They're gonna take it out. We're gonna dump like crazy, guys.
I'm not
telling
chasing.
you guys,
I'm not gonna chase.
660, guys. 660.
This is
We're gonna
double
dump
bottom.
like crazy today. Swing trades is looking at the 4-hour. I'm looking at the 30 minutes, guys. 30-minute looking horrible, horrible,
I'm
horrible.
looking at the 15-minute. Looks like an elevator shaft is gonna happen.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful shaft.
Do I want to try double bottom calls here? Too dangerous. QQQ's already below. QQQ's
Oh,
at
buddy,
yesterday's low.
If VIX gets above 1684, guys, it's fucking party time. 1684.
I'm going to try calls here. Super, super tight stop. Fresh low amount. This is double bottom. I want to see him retest 662.80s. Oh yeah, Joyce.
Ryan G, do you like that show?
Duh.
This is my
Who
favorite show
doesn't like
growing
that
up.
show, dude?
Favorite fucking show growing up, man. I watched every
Same.
single
Got
episode
9
like 500 times.
cents. 9 cents
My brother
here.
and I used to stand in our living room and literally be like,
Me too. I used to do that.
I'm gonna go Super Saiyan.
You know, in my opinion, that show is the best because it teaches kids determination and the power of what is it called, winning and never giving up. If that makes sense.
Yeah, oh, 100%.
Yeah, because in that show, he never ever gave up. Even like when he knew that he
Even
was.
when they're dead.
Yeah, exactly. Like never ever give up.
QQQ wants to go lower.
Great show.
I got-
favorite
I
show.
liked Super, but it's definitely not the same.
I got 5 cents
I
here.
saw
I'm
all of
probably
them.
going to book.
I saw all of them. Yeah, I like the originals better.
I think the sloping resistance forming Ryan's probably your target.
Yeah, I got 5 cents here. I was trying to get a retest of 662.80, but I think I'm going to take it. Let's see if we get a little push, and then I'm going to sell.
And Q's got a little
62.78.
bit to
There
their
we go.
sloping
10
resistance.
cents. Trimming. 12 cents. Nice. Down to 50. Let's see if we smack our head on that previous floor. 662.80s. If this candle rejects, I'll just take the rest of it off. $1.23 average. We're at $1.33.
You rejects and breaks. Come on.
It should go lower. They should take the floor. I'm just cleaning up the crumbs. Double bottom bounce.
Like a pigeon at the park.
Oh, buddy, my crumbs are $7,500 on the day, so I'm fine with
Your
it.
giant crumb.
I'm gonna take it all. I'm all out, guys.
Cleaning up the crumbs. Oh, buddy, guys. QQQ is at that level. QQQ is about to go to the gap, guys. $2 empty pocket on QQQ if it breaks this.
That's your strength though, Ryan, so like it's beautiful. Like that's exactly what you nail.
Just the crumbs.
No, just well, yes, but the way you described it, yes.
Well,
But it's
yeah, I
like
mean,
catching that bottom
if,
and the bounce, and then just take it and get out and be good.
yeah,
What
if
are
you
you up like 75 cents or more on the day?
7,300.
Yeah, so like what are you like roughly? Would you say you're up like $1 or so, like on options? You know,
Total? What do you
like
mean?
if you take your trades, like oh, I got 10 cents here, I got 15 cents here. Like how many cents would you say you're up on the day roughly?
I'll tell you right now. So I had 23 fills. I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades today. My first trade, I stopped out for a 2-cent loss. My second trade was 96 cents to $1.18. Third trade, $1.44 to $1.69. Third trade, $1.34 to $1.47. Next one, $1.39 to $1.63.
Are you counting how many cents though?
Yeah, I'm adding them up
Probably
in
like
my head.
$1.10 or
$1.21 to $1.32, $1.12 to $1.51, and then $1.22 to $1.26. Yeah, I'm close to $2
probably
in
up like
premiums.
yeah. Like dude, that's more than enough for anybody. And then your sizing just changes based on how much you build your account.
Yeah. I've never really looked at that data. I've never really paid attention to how much options premium I was up or up or lose during the day. I'm gonna start
Like
paying
that's how I
attention
like
to
to
that.
look at futures. I'm just like, oh, I'm up like 4 points. I'm up 5 points, and I'm like, oh, if I made 10 points on the day, then I'm like, I ought to shut it down.
Yeah, it could change though with sizing. That's the only thing, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm curious.
That's
That's
how you
actually
build an account, though.
that's a good point. I've never really paid attention to that. This is where you sell calls if anybody's in calls from double bottom. If they flip this floor, then you got a good chance to go to POC. POC, previous close after POC, that would be second price target. This is first price target here. QQQ's firing up. Dude, look at how clear as day that double bottom is, man. There's no way they're going to pay these bulls.
That's if you can stay consistent and make 25 cents to 50 cents every single day. You just have to be patient, and your sizing will get bigger, and the amount of money you make will be bigger.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's why
Well said.
that's why like when Joey first started, I was like trying to drill it into his head because he would be like, what am I taking profit? Same thing with Albert. He'd be like, what am I taking profit for? I'm only in 5 contracts. It's only $50. What am I going to do with $50? You know, it's more about the process of being able to consistently hit 10 cents. And then you would feel more comfortable sizing with 100 contracts, you know?
Once
then
you
you're-
can size, it's really just the same
Then you're
trade.
making $1,000 at a time, and you're just cleaning up crumbs, making $1,000 at a time. Having tight stops is the fucking name of the game, dude. Or just knowing when to stop out. I'm back in puts, 664 puts. Let's see. If they flip this floor, I'm out. I want to see a rejection for a fresh low. POC's potential for them to hit if they flip this floor. Perception of seeing money, yeah. Yeah, it's the hardest thing to teach people, man, is the emotions that come tied to it. But like even right now, like I have a game plan. If they flip this 662.80 floor, I'm just gonna stop out. I'll maybe try puts again at POC. All right, I'm gonna stop out of this. Q's is firing it up. We'll try puts again at POC. If that doesn't work, then I'll probably just shut it off. Another thing too is once you start building your cushion on the day, it makes your life a fucking hell of a lot easier to stop out. If you're red on the day and you're trying to hold the trades to flip yourself green, you're going to be more focused on your overall P&L. Be careful on the short side now. I see power coming in on QQQ. If they smoke POC, they're going to go to previous close, 663.20s.
You just took out yesterday's lows. I did not.
I'm going to try another short here.
Very interesting.
664 puts. I'm in at $1.44. If they clear this out, they're going to previous close back to that supply near VWAP. QQQ rejects this. It's going to be perfect entry. %40 more puts, but overall wind direction is south. That's why I'm more put focused. I just don't want to buy puts at low of day. And if we get above 663.40s, I'm not going to be interested in puts anymore, because then I'll believe that they're going to try to retrace it back up to 664. If they smoke back through this floor of 662.80, it's going to be a home run.
Yeah, does anybody go to movie theaters?
No.
Look at this. It's hilarious.
They don't make it in my color.
Me too.
I'm too white for that.
This is hilarious.
Look at the volume completely dried up. See if MACD bumps their head on this here and starts rolling back over. 662.80s gets taken out. There we go. I'm green. Just got my loss back. Just doubled my loss.
Got your lunch?
Oh, buddy. If they lose this, we're going to low a day. I'm going to take half off. I got 15 cents here. 100 contracts.
Hey, would you ever be open to trading larger cycles? Because you just trade the micro cycles. How about like the larger cycles? You wouldn't want that anymore, right? You're done.
I mean, for what though? Like what? I don't need, dude. Honestly, like I'm happy with making $1,000 a day.
Okay.
You know, I just all this extra shit. I go up, I go down. A lot of times. Yeah, Shannon.
Shannon,
I'm
that's
with you.
100%. Yeah.
It took me a while to fucking dial in what works for me the best, and I don't want to fuck with it. Close to.
I like doing both though. That's what's interesting. I like doing the intraday scalps, and I like doing the macro also.
I'm gonna take everything here. I'll put it this way. If I see the opportunity where I can get into a heavy SPXL position again, or if VIX pops back up, or even like when we all shorted Apple during the news, like certain days like that, I like. You know, I'm not gonna try to force a macro play every single day. I don't like it. It stresses me out, man. I don't like the guessing of it. It just stresses me out.
That makes sense.
I feel like I would make a lot more, but I would also lose a shit ton. So it just doesn't. To me, I'm not convicted enough in myself to swing, and it's just the unknown that freaks me out. I rather clean up the crumbs. Like this little trade, perfect example. I tried shorting at 662.80s. I stopped out immediately for 3-cent loss. I got back in at POC, and I just made 15 cents on 100 contracts. So it's just, you know, it's fine. Should have held, but I'm going to jump back in if they fucking push.
I just want this to drop like 6 points. That way I can put a stop loss profit in and just be done.
It'd be done, right? That's the best feeling.
Yeah.
Can you imagine it just dumps all day and then your stop loss
Yeah.
never gets hit?
That's the worst part. You got to just let it walk away from you a little bit where you're in enough comfortable profit, right?
Yeah, like it's too close right now for me to put one in. I'll just get dinged out. My entry could have been better.
Where'd you get in?
ES's POC is where I doubled. That's where my I doubled above VWAP. My entry right now average is around PCP.
What size accounts do you like the best?
I do the 150s.
Yeah. But do you trade them like 50Ks? You don't really trade more than 5 contracts?
My normal position size is 3,
Yeah.
and then if I feel like, the trade's gonna go my way, I might double to 6, but that's about it. But then it's like times 4 accounts.
Yeah.
So technically, like 3 is 12
think that's the-
contracts.
I
and
think
if
that's
go
the
to 6,
smartest.
it's 24.
I think that's the smartest thing to do with those accounts, dude, is if you go for the bigger account, but you trade it, excuse me, you trade it like a 50K account,
I was telling Joey I wouldn't even do more than 1 contract on a 50K, to be honest.
Yeah. It's just so easy to freaking pop them. This could be a higher low here off a double bottom, so just keep that in mind, guys. If they take out 662.54, I could see them going for a fresh low. But QQQ also has a higher low here. MACD looks like it's rejecting and it wants to stay in bear territory, so what time is it? It's 11:30. Market hasn't really moved.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat some breakfast.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna jump too.
Hope you guys are green. If you guys are holding puts, my price target is 660.
660.
660.68 or 660.25, and then if it gets really serious, guys, 660. That's my price target.
See you, Jay.
They got this
care, everyone.
661.44 area that could be a potential bounce. Nice job, Westside.
Good job, Michael. Take care, buddy. Take care,
jump
everyone.
off too.
Bye, guys.
Later.
See you guys.